So today we got this grinding jig that we're gonna use after we drill the holes on marble or whatever we drill for the water. This is to grind up that whatever axis it has if it didn't do perfect with the other bit, and we're gonna use it. And there you go. This is if you're using it for polishing, that you need the hole to be clean, because sometimes we drill holes for desk, not only for kitchens. So then you need one of these to kind of smooth it out on the inside. And that's how you take away the sharpness.
Right, so this thing is great for smoothing out a lot of these edges here. In fact, anytime you guys make the hole, there's always sharpness around here. So this thing is perfect for those kind of scenarios, just to remove any kind of excess things that you missed and you want to smooth it out and have a better connection or better input. This is what you use. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.